Hi, it's Anthony again, and today we're making a raspberry cheesecake. Here's what you'll need. You'll need red raspberry preserves, 2 boxes of cream cheese, cornstarch, vanilla, 2 eggs, graham cracker pie crust, sugar, sour cream, and heavy whipped cream. First, we're going to start by creaming the cream cheese and the sugar. Let's turn it on. After this, we're going to add some whipping cream and sour cream. No lumps because it won't come out smooth. Now we're going to add the vanilla, the cornstarch, and the sour cream. Now we're going to scooch it all down and add the eggs and the heavy cream. Put it in our pie crust. So we're going to get our pie crust ready, and then we're going to pour it in. Now it's poured in. I'll smooth it out by moving it around. Now that it's smoothed out, we'll take our red raspberry preserves and put 3 little dollops of it. Take your stick and make some swirls. Now that we're done with the swirls, we're gonna put it in the oven to 45 to 55 minutes at 325 degrees. Have your parents do it. Okay, now our raspberry cheesecake's done. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.